अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मसरूर एजुकेशन इंसाइट्स। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जनरल साइंस के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन स्टडी करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज़ द केमिकल सिंबल ऑफ सोडियम? एंड द राइट आंसर इज Na. Question number 2, which of the following is not a state of matter? And the right answer is energy. Question number 3, what is the process by which plants respire called? Respiration is the right answer. Question number 4, what is the largest planet in our solar system? The right answer is Jupiter. Question number 5, what is the chemical formula for anemia? And the answer is NH3. Question number 6, what is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin is the right answer. Question number 7, what is the process by which plants absorb water through their roots called? The answer is osmosis. Question number 8, what is the chemical symbol for silver? Ag is the right answer. Question number 9, the study of fossils called? The answer is paleontology. Question number 10, which of the following is a vector quantity? The answer is velocity. Question number 11, what is the process by which plants release oxygen called? The answer is photosynthesis. Question number 12, what is the chemical formula for hydrogen peroxide? H2O2 is the right answer. Question number 13, which planet is known for its rings? Saturn is the right answer. Question number 14, what is the process by which a solid turns directly into a gas called? The answer is sublimation. Question number 15, what is the chemical formula for methane? And the answer is CH4. Question number 16, what is the unit of electric charge? Colombo is the right answer. Question number 17, what is the process by which rocks are formed from other rocks called? The answer is metamorphism. Question number 18, what is the chemical symbol for potassium? K is the right answer. Question number 19, which of the following is a renewable energy source? The answer is solar. Question number 20, what is the process by which plants bend toward light called? Phototropism is the right answer. Question number 21, what is the chemical formula for sulfur dioxide? The answer is SO2. Question number 22, what is the largest artery in the human body? The answer is aorta. Question number 23, the study of earthquakes called? Seismology is the right answer. Question number 24, what is the process by which liquid water turns into ice called? The answer is freezing. Question number 25, what is the chemical symbol for oxygen? O is the right answer. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and comment.